What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Justedwin coming at y'all with a new vid. And today, y'all, basically, we waiting right now for market open. Market opens in 15 minutes, basically. It's 9:15. And by the looks of it, market has been it's kind of been moving trash a little bit, in my opinion. Like, first of all, literally for the 5-minute, like, the EMA, it's like so close, bro. Like the EMA is so close to the thing. And then when you go to the 2-minute, the EMA is literally to the downside, bro. So it literally looks like if it's just a consolidation area. So I probably definitely might. I don't think I'm going to at least trade until like 10 minutes into the market, just for the simple fact that it has the EMA on both sides. So I don't know. For me, that's kind of risky. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, obviously, it could have good potential to the upside, just for the simple fact that, like, the EMA, like, the EMA for the 2-minute is certainly good, but once it even reaches, like, let's see, because it's about to reach that range, basically. And I just want to see, in a sense, if it's going to go crazy or it's going to stop. Because if I could just see, like, if it respects it, I could kind of tell that we gonna go up before we go down then for a market open. So I'll probably have more confidence with my strategy. But yeah, for like, until I keep seeing this and I don't see like a certain type of move from the EMA, I don't really think I'm a trade. Cause yeah, it's looking like a consolidation area. So I don't really know. I don't really want to get into no consolidation area, bro. Haven't got into that consolidation area in so long. I don't want to get into one anytime soon. But yeah, basically, to not really talk too much, I'm not really gonna make this video as long as the other ones, just for the simple fact that after I finish trading, and that's probably gonna be like around 11, so I'm only gonna stay here for like, maybe even the first trade that I'll take, I might just be done with it, and literally, because I'm going to my pop's crib, so I don't really want to stay too long in the market. So yeah, that's one thing for today. I'm just looking at this, like the EMA is kind of rejecting it again, bro. I don't know. Like, if it rejects it on the 3-minute, right, there's a potential that it's just gonna go back down. Just literally, let's see. It's literally gonna go back down 15 points if it rejects it. I just need the EMA to be higher. If it's higher, it's good. But yeah, for today, I am going to just screen record I don't know who texted me, but I am going to screen record the screen as soon as like around 25. I might just instantly just start recording. That way, if I end up catching a move or whatever happens in between, it's just already recorded. If I don't end up recording it, then that's my fault. I'm gonna try to obviously, do the videos, but I'm gonna mainly try to do that just for the simple fact that it's honestly way more easier for editing, for like in that case, because it's not like I gotta edit separate videos. So it kind of makes it shorter in a sense. So I kind of like that. But I kind of feel like just showing y'all real quick. So wait, I forgot I can't even flip it. So wait, hold on. Matter of fact. So boom, this is basically how market is looking for pre-market, basically. And this is the range I was telling you guys about. And then look at it up here, bro. Like, in the 3-minute is up here. 2-minute is down here. It's not something as bad. But when I mostly see things like that, it mainly always means that we are in consolidation. So that's what I'm kind of saying. whichever point that it breaks first is probably like the range or the direction we're gonna be going first for the start of the market in terms of inverses. But yeah, to not really talk too much, that's how it's basically looking. If it breaks it, look for a long. If it don't break it and it breaks the bottom one, look for a short. So that's basically kind of the bias. Obviously, it's not really a bias since I'm kind of like just going both ways, but just in the circumstance like this, I'm doing it like that. And look at it right now. It's going to probably go back down, hit that target, and go right back up. If not, then it's shorts for the morning. But I already got everything planned out. London low over here, London high, Asia low. Got my daily open, Asia high up there. So everything's already secured. Just waiting for the market to open and we're good. Alright, so what's going on, you guys? So basically, how y'all already see, I'm in the bathroom and they're coming over here since my family is kind of, being a little too loud. But besides the point, I ended up taking profit already, basically. Took profit, like, I know I wasn't going to trade the first 10 minutes, but market ended up coming all the way back down to the EMA. And then, like, at first, because it went through my range, right? It went all the way down to the EMA, to the bottom. And I just waited for that play, just reinverse to the top side. I basically had my limit price already set. So when it already hit that, I just put my take profits and literally everything was good. Took profit, basically the same price, almost for 240 something. And then I ended up taking another trade for a micro. But that one ended breaking even. I literally just came back right now because I was in the bathroom. I was using the bathroom, but that's why I let the second one just play out. I ended up just coming back right now and it just broke even. So basically, we're good for the day. My family wants me to make them food, so that's really why I'm really just recording in the bathroom. But yeah, to not really talk too much, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I don't think I'm gonna record probably an analysis of the trade anytime soon. But if I do, y'all gonna see it. But obviously for y'all, it's gonna be like 2 seconds. But yeah, I'm out of this joint. I don't know why I just did that. But I'm out of this joint. Yeah. Alright, so what's going on, you guys? So it's already nighttime, basically. It's pretty much gonna be a late video, so hey, if anybody is awake, then props to you. But I'm probably gonna be posting this around 12. But to not really talk too much, that way I don't really make it longer than it is, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of a little bit tight. How you call it? My car just got transacted like twice for just dumb subscriptions, bro. But I ain't gonna lie. Besides that, basically this is a trade, like I told you guys in the 1 minute. It basically just reinversed all the way to the bottom. Basically, I already had the limit price set up just in case if it did end up coming back, as well as in the 2 minute. So basically I saw that, like basically take this off. But basically that was an inverse fair value gap that just happened right here in this range. And then I saw this turtle swoop, which brought it all the way down here. I thought it was going to sweep this at least, but it didn't. So it just swept this price, which wasn't bad either. It went all the way basically back up and did this little thing right when it opened. And basically when it went like through all this and I saw that it reinversed to the bottom, I was like, actually this could be the trade. Like when I was seeing it reverse, like I was thinking like, honestly, this could be the trade right here. So I just ended up putting my limit price when it reached this point. And as soon as originally I was going to target the daily open, but like I already told you guys, I don't know, lately I just been going for just simple 1-to-1. That way I don't really get stopped out, because let's say I wouldn't got stopped out yet, but basically let's say I was to place this break even already, I basically would have just got stopped out right there. and then it really just move up, which is not bad. Like, obviously we do know since it is market open as well, but you know, it's just in the sense that, you know, it's good for me. So basically that's really it. I took around 200 or something. I'm pretty sure it was like 250. And then in this trade right here, I don't know, I got this. I'm pretty sure I did. But basically for this range right here, I basically saw, I knew that, I don't know exactly, I don't know exactly, but I'm guessing this might have to be a range. If not, this was probably like the previous week. This has to be the previous week or something. I don't remember, but it has to be. So basically, I was targeting a range here. Basically, I know it's this range right here. I don't remember exactly. Oh yeah, it is. It is the previous week. I remember now. I see the 97. Alright, so this was the previous week, and I thought it was just gonna go straight up, but no, I was wrong. In the lower time frames, I saw a fair value gap, and basically, like, it hit the daily open, and as soon as it hit that, I saw this little fair value gap in this range right here. And as soon as basically I got in it, like, I had basically, it was the same strategy, just like this version, that it went all the way down, and I ended up, I'm pretty sure this range right here is the one I got into. I'm pretty much sure I got stopped out in this range right here, but pretty much I saw this right here, scale back down, put a limit price, it went up. I don't know, actually, did I take profit? I don't know, because it maybe just stopped me out with this one, bro, honestly, because I didn't take profit, but if I had it right here, I would have took profit. So I had to get stopped down right here. Honestly, like, when I came back, oh shit just dropped. When I came back, honestly, I don't really, like, I'm not gonna say I ain't really look at it, but once I saw that it basically hit break even, I just had to go do something. So I wasn't really focused on the second one since it was just one micro as well. But I'm pretty sure I just got like, it just hit this spot since it is coming back down. And I had the, so basically if I actually would have had it in my limit, like in my actual break even, I think I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But I did have it as, like, even if it did come down, I would have still, like, I know it was pretty dumb, but I still would have obviously gained $5. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why I got stopped out, now that I remember. But other than that, honestly, today was a good day. I really can't complain about these past couple days. Basically, got back from break even on the first day. Not really trying to hype myself or put myself too much in the emotions, because I ain't got that tight a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why. I was just, like, I was dead ass, like, kind of tight in a sense, because it just took money. I was just thinking, come to the market and just just take the money back basically from the market. But I ain't gonna lie, it's the emotions talking, bro. I'm just, like, I'm not really tight about it. I'm just tight about the fact that, I literally just basically put that money in, and this fucking transaction, stupid fees trying to charge my shit. But yeah, to not really talk too much, not make this video longer since it is pretty late already, and I gotta edit this and upload it by tonight, which I hope and I pray that, well, what am I talking about? If I already say I hope I'm done, that I know, so that I'm gonna get a lot of views. But I know obviously since it is pretty late at night, it's more likely, like, most of y'all sleep. I'm pretty much have to be going to sleep soon, but you know, I could kind of stay awake up at night again, just for the simple fact of this little, pretty much long break that we had. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Actually, I might just record. Nah, I'm not even about to record myself. I'm just leave it off like this. And basically just all that chat tomorrow. I might just end up making a short. I don't know if I'm gonna record. I should have just ended up making a short today. But I just ended up recording in the morning, so might as well just finish it. But yeah, to not really talk too much, I'm gonna hold that chat tomorrow. If I don't end up posting, like I'm gonna try to end up posting early. That way, these past days I've been kind of posting late. If I don't end up posting by like, I'm gonna say 2 o'clock a video, then I'm gonna end up posting a short. So yeah, like the video, you guys, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if y'all been loving the videos lately, because I ain't gonna lie, I've been peeping, the views been going crazy lately. And yeah, y'all already know how we basically did. Basically went 1-to-1 today. Not really 1-to-1 because we basically, but you know, we basically went break even. But yeah, to not really talk too much, I'll let y'all later. Out there, John.